जिसमें हुआ न हो, मेरे पास ऐसा लम्हा न हो, मैंने जिसमें तुझको मांगा नहीं, मेरे लब पे ऐसी दुआ न हो बाखुदा। मुझे खोने के बाद एक दिन तुम मुझे याद करोगे, फिर देखना मिलने की मुझसे तुम फरियाद करोगे।
Beautiful. Okay. So now we are going to do this new game that we have just started, like how you've been watching Devki Ka Karobar.
Yeah.
एक नई शुरुआत हम करने जा रहे हैं. This is you are the first celebrity that we are doing this with.
Yeah.
First kiss, which age?
2.
Two. What? Two?
2.
With who? Mama.
Mama. See that's
Shit. अच्छा, बचपन की favorite candy.
candy पिलो. I think पिलो जो 1 रुपया नहीं पेप्सी आती थी ना.
Pepsi Cola.
I think that's the candy for me.
First crush.
7th,
Okay.
6th.
Name.
No name. That's not a question. Come on.
अच्छा. Favorite गाली. We'll beep it. Okay. एक दुश्मन. In Ahmedabad.
एक दुश्मन.
Come on, name it, name it, name it.
Oh, people know it already. So
No, we can beep it again. Go ahead.
somebody who.
Oh, that's a big hint. We can't beep it. अच्छा, एक बुरी आदत. चलो, come on.
So many.
एक तो बता दो.
I take a lot of time to get ready.
Okay.
Yeah.
Last date, who and when?
I think 3 to 4 months back.
Okay.
It was a contest.
4 महीने पहले तुम्हारी last date थी.
Yeah. It was a contest for the song only. I think.
अच्छा, best friend.
I think Kritesh.
Okay. Mama's boy or daddy's boy?
Mama's boy.
Mama's boy. Most inspiring celebrity.
Salman Khan.
Celebrity crush.
Samantha Prabhu.
One repetitive dream.
To become the most loved music director.
Favorite perfume.
Mont Blanc.
Favorite vacation spot.
Goa till now.
Best gift ever.
I got an iPhone from my mother, and I was very excited for that.
Favorite film.
Collateral Beauty.
Dirtiest fight.
I was involved with a fight with 2 girls fighting over me.
Ooh, how can that be? Oh, that is like that kind of dirty.
Dirty fight. Girls snatching their hair.
Really?
Fighting, yes.
Like a cat fight.
Like a.
और तुम बीच में बोले मैं दोनों को प्यार
तू अच्छी नहीं बोल that girl. जेनो भी मुंह साथ ले कि ना तू ना बोलता तू ना बोल and then I was.
दर्शन मारो
नहीं कुछ नहीं था कहीं मारो तो नहीं कहीं.
Favorite food.
खिचड़ी बघारेली खिचड़ी.
Last WhatsApp message to who and what? Come on, quickly, your phone. You have to read it out. Loud. Come on, quick.
तू तारू काम कर. तू तारू काम is the last question. To Hardik, a friend of mine.
Okay. You mind your own business.
So we have a group and he was trying to provoke me, so I said तू तारू काम कर.
Okay. What's your nightwear? रातना सूती वक्त दर्शन सू पहने सूझे.
Just the boxer.
Okay. Best kiddie moment. Childhood moment that you remember. Jaldi. This is fast.
This is so childhood moment. Yes, I don't have घरगत्ता रमता था हमें लहानपण.
डॉक्टर घरगत्ता શું રમતો હતો?
ये જેટલી famous game છે બધી જ રમી છે.
अच्छा. Even actress that you would want to date.
Oh, I wanted to date Samantha Prabhu, but she just got married.
She'll always go out for a date. अच्छा, describe yourself in 3 words.
Happy, sensitive, and fun person to be with.
Okay. Your favorite dance move? Come on, get up and show.
Yeah.
Come on.
Very bad at dancing, but I can try this.
What is your move? Oh, moonwalk. Not bad, very nice. Are you good at accents?
Not really.
Okay.
ગુજરાતી ને અંદર કહી શકાય પણ ઇંગ્લિશ ની બીજી કોઈ લેંગ્વેજ માં
अच्छा, ગુજરાતીમાં કોઈ બીજી dialect.
એટલે આપણે હું કહો છો ને શું કરો છો ને I think that message
That's
I
it.
can.
Okay. Favorite TV show?
TV show like Indian TV show or
Which one?
Blacklist. I really like that.
Okay.
But
Any web series?
Web series I'm not.
You're not into them. Best dressed woman, you know.
A red gown, nice,
Any girl with red gown is
beautiful, nice flowy red gown.
They'll be nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sonam Kapoor, I think she looks amazing. Whatever she
True. One cool thing that nobody knows about you.
I can try and make a bird's sound by whistling. I don't know if it's.
Karo? Is this how you call your girls when they are like at home and you are saying Papa ko pata na chale?
एक bird का आवाज आएगा और तुम आ जाना फिर.
One secret that nobody knows about you.
But then it won't be a secret if I say it right now.
So you reveal a secret.
I had a crush on my teacher in engineering.
Does she know?
She had a hint, I think.
You should tell her now.
No,
like
no.
she will like.
No.
क्या उनको ऐसा लगेगा?
I don't know. She is married. I don't know what could.
तो married लोगों को crush नहीं होता. I mean, they would feel even more motivated in life.
Okay, I can say Anjum Mirza. Anjum Mirza was our.
Yes.
Anjum Mirza was.
पीछे क्या check कर रहा है? Oh, he's a classmate.
Classmate. So वो नाम
check.
पता था. Anjum Mirza was the name, and she was very beautiful. She was very pretty. So I had crush on her.
Come on, best fan moment.
Like for me, if I have been to concerts like.
Thanks
I
to
know.
you.
Yeah. So best is for the first time ever I went to do a show and few small little girls came in and they scratched me. The most funniest is a different one, but it was so painful and they really scratched me. But I was shocked what's happening. I think that was the first moment I remember in Lucknow. I had to go for a concert.
Okay.
And this happened backstage.
Idea for your first date? With
Very simple, not very simple. It won't be so dreamy or something. Very simple. I talk. The best thing I would love to do is just talk my heart out, what I think about life, and just talk.
immediately. पहली बार में.
Yeah, that's okay.
What turns you on in a woman?
I don't know what's
I like that look.
I don't think. I think the neck part is the portion if I that.
Look at her. So if her hair is tight, then obviously that's going
Yeah.
to work better. Okay. And last one, favorite Hindi singer?
Favorite Hindi singer, Arijit Singh.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You love Arijit.
Yeah.
What is about Arijit which is his song?
See, so many songs and still he's new. Like in different songs, he's new. It's a beautiful thing for a singer to do because like we also make songs, we also record songs, and it is so for us also. It's like experiment. So he is so good with the vocal culture. So I think that's the thing to learn for every singer. It is the thing to learn from him that he emotes different emotions, and it has a different voice quality.
Super. And your first memory of me?
Of you. I think when Honey Singh came in and we met, that is the memory I think.
Rostas.
Yes, Rostas.
Yeah, you were wearing your specs and you were singing so nice.
Yes, and I think.
Do you remember the song you sang?
Jagre Manu Jag, and yes.
It was pretty nice.
Yes.
Super cool. I had great fun with you. All the best, and I hope that your new single does really well.
Thank you so much.